Welcome back to Mr. Forge. Today we're going to be trash picking. I already hit up 2 piles. There was one, it wasn't actually a pile, but one thing is, it was just a box full of wire. So we took that box and we emptied all the actual trash out of it, and then we emptied the wire out of it. And then what we ended up doing with the wire is just putting it in our backpack there. So, and before that, we have 2 free lawnmowers. 2 free push lawnmowers. And basically how it happened is, I plucked a lawnmower out of one pile, and of course I asked permission for every single trash pile. But one thing is, yeah, you have to ask permission. There are 2 rules of trash picking. Always ask permission and leave it the way you found it, or even better. But I took that, I was rolling it down back to my grandpa's truck, and then this guy from Crossroads says, "Hey, you want another lawnmower?" I'm like, yes. So what ended up happening there was, he had a lawnmower that he had started once, but it never worked after that. So that's one thing. And we've been looking around there. I might come back tomorrow. There might be a part 2. But I've been looking around. I'm sorry if there's any wind noise. No piles that I can see right now, but yeah, here, I'm gonna open up the backpack real quick. Show y'all how much wire we actually got. And we accidentally busted one of the bulbs, so we did clean that up. And that's basically what, sorry, I almost dropped my phone there. There. We're gonna be walking up this road up here. Walking uphill. Haven't been up this side yet. Doesn't look like there's many piles at all. I'll get back to you when I see a pile. Alright guys, we're back in my grandpa's truck. This is all the wire we have gotten out of here. That's a lot of wire. This is probably the best wire that I found. But that's all the other stuff. That's just a bag. That's aluminum. There are all these speakers, a little mini chair, and a little, I don't even know what that is, but it's steel. And then there are our 2 glorious lawnmowers. And I'm trying to, here, I'm struggling with them. These are 2 steel curtain rods that I got. And then, yeah, those are the 2 free lawnmowers. And those 2 that lawnmower, all of that, and some of this wire came from one trash pile. And then that came from a guy's house. He said I could have it. And then, yeah, the steel rods came from one house. These came from a separate residence somewhere, but I need to clip all the wires on these. I just didn't even bother clipping them on the spot. I did get a circuit board with a copper coil on it. Right there. And then I got, I don't even know what this is. An alternator? I don't know. It's in Japanese. But there's a copper coil in there. And then a little electric motor here. Can't get to stay up here. A little electric motor. What else did I find? This is an Apple charger, but this thing is heavy, and I guarantee you there is copper in that. There is, that is extremely sticky. This, another little alternator. And a whole bunch of little, I don't even know what that is, a little alarm clock maybe, a whole bunch of lights. When you turn these into the scrapyard, cut these things off so you'll get paid higher grade. And then these are all just aluminum TV wires. That goes as a number 2 at my scrapyard. I don't even know what the heck this is. I'll figure out later. But there's some USB to, there's a male USB and a female USB connected. Here. I have no idea what this is. Post in the comments below if I should sell this on eBay or cut it for scrap. Alright guys, I'm going to see you all in a little bit. As we leave my grandparents' house, we'll do one more drive around in the neighborhood, make sure nobody else put out their trash piles, and see you in a little bit. Alright guys, we just got the bottom of the grill here. The guy said we could have it. Me and my brother are going to try and load this thing up. I don't know how I'm going to get this in the back of this truck. I'm going to have to take the tailgate down. That's heavy. Up. Roll it on in there slowly. You got it. That'll work. Alright guys, we got the bottom to that grill and a couple other tiki torch canisters and we're going to be on our way.